Good morning, children. Today, Thursday, you have your maths class. I am Sheila ma'am again for your maths with a new topic. Okay? Children, last class we did area, then we did perimeter, then we also did many of the sums in that, the formula unit. Now today, we are going to the next chapter, chapter 2, which is numbers. Okay? Now when you go to the shop, children, I know when you are small or even you are right now, you go to your shop and you ask for chocolates, and then they will say chocolate prices either sometimes it may be 5 rupees, sometimes 10 rupees and so on. Now these are small things with the chocolates, with your sweets, with your books. But when you go for a little more higher buying, say you want to buy a big bag, you want to buy a school uniform, then it is numbers a little more bigger. You go for buying, then you have, he will say it is 300 rupees, it may be 400. Okay, then you go with your parents for a shopping. Of course now it's COVID. Before that, Mummy will say we will buy some nice bed, some furniture for the house. Then when you go, you will be holding your dad's mom's hand and you will be walking into the shop, and in the shop Mummy will be watching all the sofa set, dining set. Then Mummy and Daddy will ask, how much is this dining set? Then that man will say, it is 14,000. And suppose he wants to buy a small study table for you, he will say it is 4,000. So you will see how 4,000, oh God, in your mind it is simple. All this will be easy for you when you learn the numbers. When you learn the numbers. Now children, you have studied in your first standard from your KG. I saw you children are learning from KG section. You are learning from 1 to 100. Then you learn from 100 to 500, 500 to 1000. So now you know you have studied all these numbers, but today we will be putting them in place value. We will be putting them in place value. When you put them in the place value, children, then these number counting is easy for you. Okay? Now let's see. When you studied in your smaller classes, you studied 1 to 10 in nursery. Then you studied 10 to 100 and so on. Children, you also must have studied in your first, second, third the place chart of 2-digit and 3-digit. Do you remember, children? In 2-digit you have units and the place chart tens. Do you remember? This is just a review. This is a review. I've already given you a homework on it to do it, because before we go to the next digit, I want you to know these 2 digits. I've given you today homework. So this is the 2 digit, and the smallest 2 digit number is 10. Okay? Then you have the greatest 2 digit number in 2 digit is 99. It is 99. When you add plus 1 for 99, you get the smallest 3-digit number, which is 100. Which is 100. Now in 3-digit, children, here you studied units, tens. Now next you have studied in your last year units, tens, hundreds. So your smallest 3-digit number will be 100 and greatest 3-digit number is 99. Got it, children? So this is a review. This is your study in your previous class. Today we are going to study the next digit. So this is finished for you. I have given you already assignment so that we are entering into the next number. Next place value chart is 4 digit. Is your 4 digit. In 4 digit place value, you have units, tens, hundreds, thousand. So this year, children, you are studying the place value till 1000. Now when you saw the 3 digit, greatest 3 digit number 999, when you add 1, you get 1000. So 1000, that is unit digit, tens digit, hundred digit, thousand digit, and your 1000 digit is the smallest 4 digit number, 1000 this year, and the greatest is 9999. You will always, now when you are come to the 4 digit, children, after the 1000 you will put a comma and then you will write the remaining. So you saw the greatest 4 digit number 9 here in the thousands, hundreds place again 9, tens place 9, and units place 9. Now in your textbook you are being given on page 16 and 17 this column. You can do this in your textbook, children. Please do this in your textbook as an homework, and then we go to the place value chart. I think you will be very clear with the place value chart. Now suppose I give you a number 4000. A number is given, children. Now I give you a number 4273. I give you this number. Now this is a 4 digit number. See, the comma is put in the thousands place. It is thousands place. This is hundreds place. This is tens and units. Now a number is given. You must also know there will be, suppose I ask you, with this, can you make the smallest 4 digit number? You can. How will you make? You will take out the smallest number in this. The smallest number is 2. So you will write in thousands place 2. Which is the next smallest number? 3. So 3. The next smallest number? 4. The next smallest number is 7. So when the question is asked, make from a number the smallest 4 digit number, you will be able to make this. By writing the place value, you will know the value of the number and you will make the smallest 4 digit number. Is it clear, children? Now this is smallest 4 digit number I have made. This is the smallest 4 digit. Okay? Now suppose I ask you to make the greatest 4 digit number. You can make, because the place value chart is there. Now this big, if you wanted to make the greatest, you will see the numbers. And in the numbers, which is the greatest number? 7. Put that in thousands place. When you put the number in the place value only, it will become bigger, greatest. 7. Then which is the next number bigger? 4. You have to put in the place value 4. You have to write here comma. Then you have the next number, which is that See, look children, 4, then you get 3, then you get 2. So, you have looked into the numbers, placed them in the value of the chart, made it small. You have looked into the numbers, placed them in the value of the chart and made them greatest. I hope you children understood. Greatest 4 digit. Okay, so now when you count any 4 digit, you will be writing the comma. And how do you read them? Now for example, this is in the thousands place. I read this as 4,273. 73. Next number, how do I read? 2,300 and you will say 47. Suppose it is in the rupees, you will say 2,347 rupees. Next number, how will I read? It is in thousands place, 7,432. So children, I have given you the column of your textbook. When you write, suppose you are writing on this children, this column. Now the first one is 1001. So first learn to write and to tell. So when you write in the house, say 1001, 1002. Then you come to 1010, then you start, it starts with 1000, you will go to the next 1000, then the value goes in the place value. So it becomes in this place 1101, then 1102. So this is how, here you see it is becoming 3000. The 1000 value, 4th digit is 1000. So 3701. Next you will write 3702. You have to complete till 3800. Okay, so when you write this 4 digit, please tell it by your mouth and tongue and repeat this slowly. So when you do this children, you will be learning the number 4 digit. Okay, now how to write a place value chart. Now you understood how to, when a number is given, how to make the smallest 4 digit and greatest 4 digit, looking into the numbers and the place value. Now how to do a place value chart. That also you must know, because I am going to give you the exercise in your textbook. Now children, now suppose I have given you a number 3000, see comma I have written 705. How do you read out this? 3705. Now I will ask you, make a place value chart. Make a place value chart. Very simple, because you know the place value of 4 digit. When a question is given, suppose a question, if it is given like this, please make a place value of chart for 3705. You have to use your scale, you have your classwork, you will write thousands, you will start with units children, units, hundreds, units, tens and hundreds and thousand. So you will make with your scale the place into the column. Now you see 3705. How will you present it in this column? You will start always with the units. 5 will be in the units digit. Your 0 goes to the tens digit. Your 7 goes to the 100 digits. And 3 goes to the 1000 digit. So if you know to write this place value, your next questions and in next all the other sums further will be easy, and also when you go to the shop you will be easy to recognize the thousands rupees, hundreds rupees, tens rupees. Okay, now for your homework, I would like to give you, first already I have given this, you will do it in your textbook. This page you will be doing in your textbook. Then we have on page number 19. Page number 19, you have write the following number in words. The first one is 5,004. How will you do? Take a notebook, write the place value in that with the chart, then you write the following numbers in words. How will you write? 5,000, it is 5,000, 0 is in the center. Will you write 0 and 0 and all? No. 5,004. 5,004. This you will be writing here as well as in your notebook, classwork notebook. 7,305. You write it here. As well, you don't give me this for correction, give your classwork which you are writing with the chapter 2 number, place value, 4 digit. You must write this because this year you have 4 digit. You will write this and then you will write the sums. Now the second question is very simple. They have given in the words. You have to write the numbers. But don't forget, if there is 1000, to write the comma. Children, this is something very puzzle-like. You have to do it in your competition book, this puzzle-like. Okay? How is it? Read the following numbers. This you just have to do mentally, tell at home and do it. Prepare a chart of the numbers from that I am not giving you. First, third, and the third one. See children, third one is given here. You see here, one is 1000 plus 100 plus this one, 2 rectangles and the squares. You have to count them. You will write 1. How many cards are there? There are 4 cards. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will write make the place value chart. You will write 1, 4, then 2 rectangle, and you count the squares. It will come to 1, 4, 2 and 6. Same way you will do the next. That's it. This is to be done orally. This is to be done in your classwork, and this is to be done in your textbook. I hope it's clear. This is textbook, both the pages. This is for your classwork. You can first write it here and copy it in your classwork. This is to be done orally. Okay, this you do it orally. And also in the classwork, you please copy the heading, all these things which I will be sending you the blackboard work. Thank you children. Have a great day. We will follow the next 4-digit number, the next sums and the queries. Okay, thank you.